Now, open up your book and carefully listen to the story Aksa Visits the Doctors on page number 20 and 21.
Aksa visits the doctors. I was not feeling well yesterday. My ear was hurting. Mum said we had to go to the doctor, but I didn't want to. I was scared. Don't worry, said Mum. The doctor will give you medicine to make you feel better. She took me to the hospital. A tall man came into the room. He smiled at me. So, what's the matter? Mum told the doctor that I had an earache. He used a little torch to look into my ears. Next, he handed me a thermometer and told me to put it in my mouth. Don't worry, it won't hurt. I just need to check your temperature, he said kindly. I put the thermometer in my mouth for a couple of minutes. The doctor looked at it and told me that I had a very high temperature. He wrote down two medicines, one for my temperature and one for my earache. Mum gave me 2 spoons of each medicine. They tasted horrible, but I drank water to make the taste go away.
Okay, so sometimes we get ill just like Aksa. We go to the doctor who treats us and gives medicine to make us feel better. This story is related to our personal experiences in real life. Now, let's do an activity. Have you ever fallen ill like Aksa? How did the doctor help you? Share your experience by writing about it on a loose sheet.